Hardy's monument sits at the heart of some truly stunning walking country. From here, you can join the South Dorset Ridgeway, a section of ancient route that predates even the Romans. The surrounding heathland and chalk hills are crisscrossed with peaceful trails. Ideal for walking, trail running, or just soaking up the views. Whether you're headed through Abbotsbury, the Jurassic Coast, or simply looping through Portesham, there is a route for everyone. Nestled high on the summit of Black Down, just outside the historic town of Dorchester and Dorset, stands the imposing Hardy's Monument. Perched over 260 metres above sea level, it overlooks the sweeping countryside and the nearby village of Portesham. Built in 1844, the monument was funded by public subscription to honour Vice Admiral Sir Thomas Masterman Hardy, best known as the captain of HMS Victory during the Battle of Trafalgar. It's not just a tribute to naval heroism, but also a prominent feature in the Dorset skyline. Constructed from local porcelain stone, the monument stands at 72 feet tall, or around 22 metres. Its distinctive octagonal design isn't just for show. It aligns with the compass points, acting as a symbolic nod to navigation and Hardy's life at sea. To reach the top, visitors can climb a spiral staircase of 120 stone steps. It's a bit of a workout, but the reward is well worth it. On a clear day, the views are extraordinary. The Hardy Monument can be seen from as far as 60 miles away, making it a historic navigational landmark for passing ships and a visual beacon for miles around. From the summit, you might spot the coast of Devon, St Catherine's Point on the Isle of Wight, and even Mendip Hills to the north. For over 180 years, this Tower of Stone has stood as a tribute to a local hero, guiding mariners, inspiring visitors, and keeping watch over the timeless Dorset landscape.